Hello guys!
Hello everybody!
We're gonna talk today about wireless solutions based on cutting-edge technologies, and it's always interesting, I agree with you.
Yes, Escort NET allows to connect the sensor to the monitoring system even if the usual wired communication is not possible or maybe undesirable.
It appears indispensable in such cases as monitoring of attached equipment,
rotating mechanism of machineries,
or concrete mixing trucks and many others.
We've realized this concept on the base of very popular technology
today.
much
popular technology.
RFID
technology. RTech contains, along with RFID tech itself, also a battery and 3-axis accelerometer.
It is actually autonomous rotation detector.
Autonomous rotation detector. If you watched a video dedicated to angle sensor DU180, you know what a powerful, really powerful tool and accelerometer is for machinery performance monitoring, right?
The capabilities are quite similar,
yes.
But no need to plug nowhere.
No need to plug nowhere.
The monitoring of concrete mixing trucks can be dramatically upgraded by the Escort NET system. Escort NET system allows you to monitor the direction of the mixing drum rotation and registration of the operation is done, loading of the concrete or discharging. You just mount the RFID tag on the mixing drum and the reader on the driver's cap, and that's it. This way, you can get not only the location of the vehicle, the fuel consumption, the mileage, but the registration of concrete loading and discharging operation.
Escort NET system helps greatly in waste truck monitoring as well, since it allows to register garbage bins loading. You just need to fix a tag on the bottom of each container you've got and set it up so that it indicates every time the container is flipped upside down. That's it. In this way, in addition to fuel consumption, mileage and location, you've got also actually inventory count of garbage containers.
Another application of the wireless solution is agricultural machinery monitoring, such as tractor implements. Mounting the tag on attachable equipment makes possible to identify it automatically once it's attached on. The monitoring system will be able to distinguish each implement you have. This solution makes the operation of your vehicle absolutely transparent. Now you know what exact land area being treated by which exact implement.
Each refrigerated trailer has its own generator on board, its own fuel tank and its own temperature system. But it might be so that the tracker is not installed there, it is installed on that truck, right? And here's the question: is it possible to gather all the data from these sensors and transmit it to the tracker? Yes, it is possible using Escort NET system in a special mode, which is called a bridge, where you should use two readers simultaneously. You just install the second one in the same trailer and connect all the needed detectors to it. This is how your monitoring system of trailer is to be connected to a tracker in a truck via two readers. This is just one of many applications of this mode. I just say that you could connect up to 10 sensors to our readers via digital interface and up to 9 sensors via one wire interface.
We've just done a short presentation of Escort NET system capabilities and applications.
Of course, each application requires its own separate video, so you could expect much more video to come on our channel.
We hope you enjoy it.
Please like it if you do.
And subscribe our YouTube channel.
It was sincerely yours, Escort. Bye.